So that old engine is 100 years old. Wow. Jeez. Mm. So you tell me you're going to travel to Scotland with it. So we're down.
Where are you coming?
Yes, if you're using that engine, I not. I stay up in my car.
The simplest engine ever. But see, you can see what happens. If you have that in the back and it's rough and water gets up, touches the plug, of course, it cuts out.
Mm.
We're for really calm weather, you know. So I don't know what'll happen with it.
It looks to me as if that engine should be put in the bath. And a little kid's boat in the bath.
But they're a great engine, you know, great engine.
Mm.
You can see it like an old motorbike.
Yeah, that's true.
Very, very simple to do anything with, you know.
So what you have? So you're going to head into Scotland soon now. So you have 3 engines.
I have 5 engines.
You have 5 engines. He's not heading to Scotland. He's heading to Kildoo, just in case anyone. Just in case they are in LA standing by.
I have a 24 horsepower Volvo diesel, but I don't have it in. I have a 10 horsepower Volvo in Limerick ready to go in, and it's not in. I have the Yamaha that's not working. I have the Yamaha down there that's working but leaking oil in the gearbox. But you can see I'm going downhill, like 25 horsepower, 10 horsepower, 9.9 horsepower, 6 horsepower, and now I'm down to 2.5 horsepower. and I need Noel's engines. I need one of his engines, 200 horsepower.
Yeah.
That would move.
We're on.
That's really what I want.
We're on the.
Like after this, I'd be paddling.
Did you bring a paddle with you? I brought 2 oars.
That's the way it's going.
We're on the cousin's brother-in-law's yacht last night, and what has he got? He's 200. What is it?
200
He's
horsepower.
200 horsepower.
Yeah.
And he went out for a few pints last night.
That's ridiculous.
And Lara wanted to rob his engines.
That's 400 horsepower. 400 horsepower, and I might go down to 2.5 horsepower. You know, 2.5.
So have you got a plan? Tell me you have a plan, please.
Yeah. Bring Derek.
Jeez. We've no plan, no?
We'll be getting the drone to tow us soon.
Jeez, I think so.
Yeah, the way things are going.
So over here was the yacht we're on now. So look at Pissy. Alright, Pissy. So we were in last night. That one.